Hello everyone, hope you all fine. Today I am going to start the new chapter, chapter 4. The name of the new chapter is linear equation in two variables. So before starting this, first I want to explain you what is the mean by this chapter name. So the name is linear equation in two variables. If I will write an equation 2x plus 3 equal to 0, first you can see that this is a equation. How it is equation? Because you can see that I have written 0 here. It's a relation between variable and constant with the equal to sign. So this is called an equation. Now what is the mean by linear? The linear means the power should be 1. You can see that the power of x is 1 here. So it is linear. The linear means any equation in which the power is 1. Now see, but that was a linear equation in one variable. Now what is the mean by two variable? Two variable means if I will write 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. So you can see that in this there are two variables x and y, and you can see that the power is 1. The power is 1. So you can see that, say that this is a linear equation in two variable because there are two variables x and y, and you can see that it's linear means the power is 1, and its equation also, equation means with equal to sign. So it is called a linear equation in two variables. You can say that it's a linear equation. It's a linear equation in two variable because you can see that here is x and y. There are the two variables x and y, and it's the power is 1 so it's a linear equation in one variable. Okay, now I want to tell you what is the general form of linear equation in two variable. The general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. But if you will see carefully to this equation, you can see that it is not in the form of this general form. This is called the general form. Here x and y are the variables, but a, b and c are the constant. Constant means the value like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, numeric value. Now see that we have to convert this in the form of this general form. So how can I write it? Like 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Now you can compare these two. You can see easily that in place of a there is 2, and in place of b there is 3, and in place of c there is minus 7. So we can find out the value of these constant also with comparing this given equation with the general form of the equation. Now exercise 4.1, question number first. See that in question number first, what is the question? I'm going to read the question. The question is the cost of the notebook is twice of the cost of the pen. Write the linear equation in two variables to represent in the statement. Now what we will do? First I have to assume an equation, but just keep it in your mind that we have to take the values, the cost of notebook and pen. You can see we have given in hint also in form of x and y. You cannot assume it in the form of only x because it is not linear equation in one variable. So you have to choose two variables for that. So see how we will do this. So see, I have written the statement also. So first we will write let the cost of the notebook be x and the cost of the pen be y. Now according to the question, what is given in the question? In the question it is given that the cost of notebook is twice of the cost of the pen. Means you will multiply 2 by the cost of the pen, but it is not in the form of linear equation in two variables. So you have to write in the standard form. So you will write x minus 2y is equal to 0. This is the final answer of this question. Now move to the next question. See the second question. Express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Indicated the value of, you have to find out the value of a, b and c. So if you will compare the first equation, see how we will do this. I told you earlier also that this equation, these all the equation not in the form of the general form of this equation, linear equation, two variable. First we have to convert all these equation in the form of this standard form. So we will solve it like that. So we have to find out the value of a, b and c in this. First we have to convert this into the standard form. So the standard form, this is in ax plus by plus c, but you can see that if we will shift 9.35 bar toward to the this side, LHS side, so it will with negative sign. Now we will compare this with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now we can see that a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 9.35 bar. Similarly, we have to do all the questions. We have to convert all these questions in the form of ax plus by plus c. Two more questions I want to solve for you. You can see that this is again not in the form of this standard form ax plus by plus c. So first I will write x minus 3y equal to 0. Now on comparing with this, you will write a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 0. Similarly, in the next eighth part, you can see that the first we have to shift, you can shift 5 here or 2x here. So according to the convenience, we will shift 5 here. Minus 5 equal to 0. Now on comparing with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, you will write a is equal to 5, b is equal to 0, because you can see that there is no y term, and c is equal to minus 5. Now the rest part you will do yourself. Now move to the next exercise 4.2. I am going to read the first question. Which of the following option is true and why? Y is equal to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, only two solutions and infinite many solutions. That's mean this equation have how many solutions? Means you can get how many values of y for different values of x. Only one, only two or infinite many. For that I will explain you that how we will get the answer. Now you can see that this is the equation y is equal to 3x plus y. Now for this value you have to find out that it has unique solution, two solutions or infinite many solutions. Now you can see that if we will put the different values of x, like x equal to 0, when we put x equal to 0 in this equation, then we will get y is equal to 3 into 0 plus 5, sorry it's 5, so at 5, then y is equal to 3 zeros are 0 plus 5 equal to 5. That's mean when you are putting the value 0, the value of x is 0, you are getting the value of y is 5. Similarly, if you will put the value of x equal to 1, you will get y is equal to 3 into 1 plus 5. That's mean y is equal to 3 1 3 plus 5. That's mean y is equal to 8. That's mean if you will put the different values of x, you are getting the value of y also different. That's mean if you are putting the different values, you are getting the different values of y. That's mean it has the infinite many solutions. Therefore the third part of this question is correct. Now see the next part of this question. The next question number 2. Write the four solutions of each of the following equations. There are so many equations and we have to find out the four solution of each equation. We are moving to the first part first. See, I am writing the first part. It is question number 2, first part. 2x plus 5 is equal to 7. We have to find out the four different values of this equation. So we will put the different values of x. You will put as x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 2. You can put according to yourself. You can put according to you, whatever you want to put the values. So we will put the first x equal to 0 and 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 7. That means 0 to just 0, then y is equal to 7. You can see that for the value of x equal to 0, we are getting the value of y is equal to 7. Similarly, when we put the x equal to 1, then 2 into 1 plus y is equal to 7, then 2 1 ja 2 plus y is equal to 7, then y is equal to 7 minus 2, that's mean the value is 5. That's mean if you are putting x equal to 1, you are getting the value y is equal to 5. Similarly, you can put the values x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 2. That's mean you can put the different values of x. You have to put only 4 values of x, and for that you will get the 4 different values of y. This will be the solution of this equation. Now move to the next question. In this next question you can see that write the question number 3. Check which of the following are the solution of this equation and which are not. That's when you have to find out these all are the solution of this equation or not. For that we have to put the values of x and we have to find out the value of y. I will show you how. The first part of question number 3 is 0, 2 is the solution of this equation or not. So for that, first we will put x equal to 0 in this equation. But the answer, that's mean the value of y should become 2. If the answer is coming 2, then this point will only the solution of this question, otherwise not. See, x, we are putting x equal to 0. 0 minus 2y is equal to 4. Now you can see that 0, the minus 2y is equal to 4. That's mean y is equal to 4 upon minus 2. That's mean y is equal to minus 2. That's when you can see that if we are putting x equal to 0, we are getting y is equal to minus 2. But the solution should be 2. That's mean this is not the solution of this equation. You will write no, but you have to solve this all. You have to show the process also. Now move to the next part. There are so many parts here, but I am solving only 2 parts. See the next part. In this part we have to find out this is the solution of this or not. So for that we will put x equal to root 2. Root 2 minus 2y is equal to 4. That's mean minus 2y is equal to 4 minus root 2. That's mean y is equal to 4 minus root 2 upon minus 2. You can see that the value of y is not coming 4 root 2. That's mean in that case again this is not the solution of this equation. Similarly, you will do all the parts of this question. Now move to the last part of this question. You can see that find out the value of k for x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. I will show you how. See, we have to find out the value of k for the value of x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. We will substitute these two values in the equation. We will write 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k. 2 to the 4 plus 3 is equal to k. That's mean k is equal to 7. This is the answer of this question and this exercise is finished. Thank you very much.